Hey there, in this tutorial we're going to be looking at working with the forms that you guys have on your website. Those are in a few different places. On the front end, for example, we have forms for the contact that they fill out here, a form to book you guys to speak or coach. And then of course we have various calls to action, like that one, as well as the pop-up on the website. And these are all handled on the back end as far as what shows there. So we can get to it a few places. We can click that view forms and that widget there at the side. I'm at the bottom of our dashboard. I think it's hidden behind the playtime over here, but you can see forms over here on the left side, and it shows the 4 forms that we have. If you have entries, you can click entries to see which form. Entries from any form. If I click on forms, then I can click entries here as well. But what we want to do is work with editing the forms, and so I don't mess up any of the email stuff. We're just going to edit the contact form. So the first thing we're going to do is click edit, and this is going to pull up the little interface here. It's drag and drop for the different sections that you want to use. And then of course making fields required, like that name field should probably be required, right? And then if I hover over settings, it brings up several things here. If I click on form settings, it brings up things for the whole form. I definitely want to enable the anti-spam. And you can change the button text here for the submit button. I'm going to update that. If I pull up confirmations, this is what people that fill out the form see. So if someone fills out the contact form, they see thanks for contacting us, we'll get in touch with you shortly. If I want to change that, which is what we're going to do for the call to action for the download, we're going to send them to another page on the website, like a thank you page. Or if there is something that they're filling it out for and needs to go to another website, you can redirect them to an entire new website by dropping that here. Next is notifications. So confirmations is what the people that fill out the form see. Notifications is who sees the filled out forms. And right now it's just set to an admin notification going to the admin email, which right now is me. I'll be the administrator for the site, so all the site-based stuff comes to me. I would change this out with one of your emails or both of your emails. And for example, let's go edit let's edit the speaking consulting so that we can see how some of those things might work. So maybe you guys want to add another field that says I'm interested in having Kate or I'm interested in having Gail consult with us, and so we would handle that by going to notifications, editing the notification, and clicking configure routing, and we would say send it to this email if I'm interested in Gail is the answer, or I'm interested in Kate is the answer. And then you can add another one that says send to Kate if I'm interested in Kate being the answer. That's neither here nor there for this one though, so we're going to leave it as enter an email. And of course I'm able to work with you guys to configure where those emails go as needed. And that would come directly to your email from your website. If you guys have new forms in the future that you want to create, it's as simple as clicking add new, giving it a title, and then beginning to add the fields that you need. There are opportunities here for turning this into a registration form, or for a product purchase form, or even a donations form if you decide you want it all on the website versus having it on Patreon. But you can do all that here. And of course, if there are any add-ons that are needed for you guys, if you want to do more e-commerce with it, then we can handle that as well. But keep in mind, this isn't like a full store solution. Obviously, that's a different thing. This is a buy this one download, or buy this one thing, or register for this one event kind of thing. That's how you work with the forms on the Junia project website.